So, do you love making paintings? If yes, there's a business opportunity. And even if you don't love making paintings, you should know that there's a huge market of paintings and arts which are sold online. You may be knowing about Mona Lisa's art, which has fetched millions of dollars in sale. Same with so many arts are there like that, which are getting sold and they're getting auctioned, they're making money. So I started my own e-commerce store, which is on handcrafted arts and craft. And I'll be showing you my statistics, my profit margins, and also how much sales I'm doing, what I'm selling, and what products you can sell, and how you can get started with my plug and play ready-made business opportunity. So even if you are a working professional, don't worry. Get started with this ready-made business opportunity because I'll be giving the store plug and play with the mentorship guidance and also how to sell this. For doing that, digital marketing and database, everything I'll give you as a complete package so that you can simply get started with making sales and make profits. The profits are really good because Indian traditional arts, especially the paintings, have got great international demand, value, plus you can make a lot of money in that. And more than money, it's about, helping those artisans who really deserve to get their products to get valued. So why not work on something which is getting high value, which is profitable, which is recession proof, and which can be auctioned and you can make some good profits. You don't have to invest any money in buying these arts, buying these paintings, just have this e-commerce store and start doing the business. Let me give you the entire business strategy. If that suits you, let's work on this. So here, this is the plug and play e-commerce export startup opportunity where you can put contemporary abstract arts. In India, so many suppliers are there of these arts who make Madhubani paintings, wall paintings, and very nice, beautiful designs. Some of them are having a lot of value that people simply want to pay premium for these arts. These are really beautiful things to sell, mural paintings and all, big hotels and all, big corporates, as well as people who are in foreign countries for their home. They all want these arts. You can make very good profits in arts business because here you are going to be that brand which is selling these arts and crafts. So you are going to get an e-commerce store builder from me. Before that, let me show you. I myself am making sales of about 8,000 different handcrafted products. So I work on handcrafted products mainly, and I have about 65 different type of products. In that, I have also handcrafted products such as arts and craft. All these are arts and craft only, but mainly I'm talking about you to sell these products which you can make quick money. I'm already making sales. I'm showing my lifetime statistics and the monthly statistics to you. So same way you can get started with the business. I'll give you the store builder, and all the softwares plugins are integrated in this so that you can get started quickly, and you can have your own domain name. You can collect direct payment into your bank account. You can add your staff members, and also you can have AI generated search engine optimization so that you can be in the top of the Google search. So this is the program. This is the mentorship program in which you can learn complete about e-commerce business. I'll be giving you all in one model where you're going to learn everything from e-commerce, store development, digital marketing, and growth hacking, social media marketing, running paid ads, and more importantly, you'll get 17 plus certifications as part of this bundle program. So all the 17 certificates are included in this, and I'll be making sure that you learn live, practical, and this will be a lifetime of access, lifetime update, lifetime support, and you will be learning digital marketing and sales with me and my team so that you can get started with the e-commerce business immediately. It's very simple to start a e-commerce business with my e-commerce mentorship program, and this Indian Institute of E-commerce has got everything as plug and play model. You get recorded contents plus live classes plus softwares, everything included. Indian e-commerce is fully affiliated to AICTE and then TISS, EDII, Alibaba, Amazon, and many more partners like this. And these are some of my works which I have done in my past. All these things are included in this program. This is my profile. I worked with WTO as a jury, global partner for Alibaba, and program director for Amazon ATS. So same way, other mentors and experts are also very good in terms of training you and guiding you. So IIC's profile is with you. You can now understand that Indian e-commerce is fully accredited to Ministry of Corporate Affairs and with the Startup India, with different ministries and government bodies. And many of our students do the program, and they even work with top companies like Flipkart, Myntra, and all. and many positive reviews are there. You can explore these informations also. So we have created this all-in-one program because I feel that once you practically learn e-commerce business, you will be able to make business successful. So unless you can do it practically, how will you be able to make sales? So for this, I suggest you to get started with the e-commerce store that I'm giving you and start building this e-commerce business. And with this ready-made plug-and-play solution, you will be able to make profits. And once you start generating revenue, I'm very confident that you will be living your job that you are doing, because you will be making 10 times more profit than what you're doing in your job. So once you're able to do that, then why you have to continue with that 9 to 5 job when you have the financial freedom with you by starting your own e-commerce store. Now let's explore that how much sales are happening on Amazon. For example, if you see this Amazon website, most of these products are sold at very high prices, and 400 sales, 300 sales, 200 sales. These are the number of sales in the last 1 month for all these products. So even if you have some 1,000 kind of different products, like these are just images, right? You can just post in the marketplaces and you can start expecting sales. Now assume that this product has got about 2,200 reviews, so we can expect like so we can say about 20 to $25,000 value of sale has happened for this one product only. Same if you see Etsy.com, 2,800 positive reviews. And these are the list of products which are getting sold in Etsy also. And see the prices like 18,000 rupees, 17,000, 15,000, 43,000. And it is even about 1,12,000. And people have bought. It's not like it's just listed. People have bought 5-star rating by 13 people. Assuming that if 13 people paid this much amount, so you can easily make 13 lakhs. Simple. So idea is to get started with the business that you can do. And this is Rakuten, this is Japan's website. This is Lazada, Singapore's website, and this is Noon.com, which is Dubai's website. And everywhere you can see the arts and crafts are always listed. Paintings are always required. People use it for home decor. So I suggest you that if you want to get started with a business like this, I can help you with setting up the store, getting you started with the plug and play business. And this gives you the opportunity with the mentorship and the buyer's database, e-commerce store builder, ongoing support, live training, where you can make sales, and we'll be assisting you on how to get sales regularly so that you can build a $1 million brand of arts and craft, especially paintings. And these paintings are hand paintings or machine made paintings, but in any case, your brand will be one of the dominant brand in the arts and craft sector. That is what my plan is. So if you're interested to start a business which you can do as a side income, if you are a working professional, if you are busy, still you can invest about an hour's time, and somebody from your family can also get started with this. You can hire someone who can actually take care of running this business for you. So all that things we can work on, right? So get started with a business that can revolutionize your financial life.